welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda Audish with Audish Designs, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 different wrapping styles for this holiday season. So if you're looking for that organic, eco-friendly kind of vibe to your holiday wrapping this year, then stay tuned. Also, if you haven't watched my rental-friendly kitchen renovation, make sure to click the link above. Comment down below which one was your favorite and which ones you're going to be utilizing this year. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you do enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next Sunday. We're going to begin by wrapping all of the presents. So what I like to do is basically grab a gift box and put 2 tissue papers inside, and then I wrap up the present. That way the person that I'm gifting the gift to cannot see right away as soon as they open the box what the present is. And now I'm just going to simply wrap the present up. For our first wrapping style, I used a burlap ribbon that I got from the dollar store. And what I did was I went ahead and wrapped it around the gift and tied it into a bow. Then I went ahead and grabbed the excess fabric and clipped it into a V. I grabbed this fern leaf garland that I got from Walmart, and I actually utilized this for each and every one of the wrapping styles that we're going to be doing today. So what I did was I went ahead and cut off a little piece and tucked it right under the bow, and here's the final product. For this next style, I use a faux leather ribbon that I got from the dollar store as well. And I went ahead and wrapped it around the gift and tied it in the front. I also clipped the ribbon into a V to give it a more sophisticated look. Then I clipped a piece of the fern garland and tucked it under the leather ribbon. And here's the final product. For the third project, I went ahead and grabbed a metal wire that had pine cones attached to it from the dollar store, and I wrapped it into a circle. Then I grabbed some twine that I had in my stash, and I clipped it and tucked it under the crown that we created and wrapped it around the gift. As you can see here, I went ahead and tied it in the back because we're going to end up taping it to the back of the gift later. I grabbed another piece of that twine I went ahead and cut it and repeated the same process that we saw earlier. So I tucked it under the crown on the opposite end and wrapped it around the gift once again. Then you're going to take the loose ends and tape them to the back. Now our last step is to grab some of that fern leaf and wrap it around the crown, as you can see here. I also added some tape to secure the leaves in place so that it wouldn't move away from the crown. I then started tucking the leaves under and around the crown. And here's the final product. For the next style, I'm going to be using that faux leather ribbon that we got from the dollar store, and I'm going to wrap it just once around the gift, and then we're going to tie it into a bow in the front. Then I grabbed the metal wire with the pine cones and wrapped it once around the gift as well. And as always, we're going to clip a piece of the fern leaves and tuck it under the ribbon. And here's the final product. For the next style, I'm going to start with some twine as well as the leftover metal wire that we have with the attached pine cones. So I'm taking the twine and I am wrapping it around the gift, but this time we're going to be doing it twice, horizontally as well as vertically. Once I finished wrapping the twine, I went ahead and tied it to the back. And of course, we're going to go ahead and tape the loose ends to the back of the gift as well. And then we're going to add the fern leaves in the middle and grab the burlap ribbon and tie a bow in the crown as well. I also went ahead and clipped the ends into a V to give it a more sophisticated look. And here's the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next Sunday.